Welcome everybody to our update for SMCI for today and this week. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here just for education purposes only. We're not for provide any financial advice, and always do due diligence before you put your money on the line. So guys, let's get right to it and discuss SMCI because right now it's kind of neutral. The good things that we should update for today is the reversal that happened here. As everybody knows, we got FDA meeting and we got a huge pullback for the market, 8 and 9% for SMCI. The good thing is we reverse after we reverse from this support that we discussed before. We have double bottom and the price reverse. However, right now it's getting near the 54.20, which is the breakout zone for this week. So what we should expect before Friday is just getting another 3% or 4% to break from the 54 and go toward the 58 and then the 66. For now, we don't have any confirmation for this breakout because right now below the resistance and over the support. The good thing, as we said, we reverse yesterday or on Tuesday, I think. Yes, the Tuesday we have the first test and reversal. Wednesday we have a bit of consolidation, and Wednesday and Thursday we just have a consolidation. So Tuesday it was the turning point for a test around the 48, and the good thing is we didn't consolidate near the support, but we bounced from it. So there is a big buyer here. So we don't want to have a retest down, because if we have this means we're gonna go toward the 46, and it's mean a weakness. If we didn't and we still hovering just around the 50 and 52, is mean we're gonna have a breakout and go toward the 58. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below, are we gonna have this breakout next week or this week by tomorrow, Friday? Thank you for watching, guys, and remember to tune in to our live streaming tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, and after that, or before that, almost 3 hours before, to prepare for the market and pre-market on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss many stocks. And yesterday we had many stocks, and especially for those for today, I think we got a really good play for Google because we did swing trade for it. And we did, yeah, a good mini swing trade, especially for Google because it had earnings. We got another earnings today for Intel and other stocks. So we're going to do update for them. Thank you for watching. And if you want to have those updates, the link in comment section below to our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.